Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika and welcome to my birthday series. I am doing a haul video today, so if you're seeing this face for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll show you what I shopped for my birthday. I spent a few penny here and there, not too much, and I bought some stuff from Amazon and different website. I'll show you in different hauls. So starting off with the first thing that I ordered, which was necessary. I wanted all of these things. So this will be the hashtag part 1 of what I bought for my birthday, and I'll also shoot my birthday vlog, so stay tuned for that on how I celebrated. This year I have a little bit of plans as compared to last year because of COVID, but I hope it goes well. And I shopped a bit. The birthday dress I ordered, and it's already been 10 days. There is no delivery at all till now, so I'm like a little hesitant if it will come or not. So I will link all of these products in the description box below, so if you want to check out anything, you can definitely go and buy from the links which are provided in the description box. So I'll start off with my haul. For the first product that I got is this cute sling bag. Actually, the dress that I ordered is of the same color. It's like a silver purplish blingy dress for night party, and I wanted something very simple and sleek to carry with that dress. I'll also insert a picture of the dress. I hope it comes, but this is what I got to match with it. It says simple and natural here, pure white color, and it has very nice genuine leather, and this retails for rupees 500 only. Can you imagine? And it has this silver detailing right here. It's very small. I'll just show you from the inside. So it comes with a foam, and then it has this very nice sling. Okay, this was the first thing that attracted me towards this bag. I love chain bags, and it is quite long, so आप sling की तरह भी ले सकते हो, and you can also fold this and take it as a shoulder bag. And I think it's white in color, so it will go with every outfit. And also the size of this, like the space inside is pretty good. Like you'll fit a wallet, your makeup and your phone charger in this very easily. Itna bhi chota nahi hai, and it has a magnet opening and closing right here, which I really like. So for the price, I think it's totally worth the money. It's just for 500 rupees, and also it's branded. It's from Minisse, so it's branded as well, and the genuine quality leather I have gotten here. I don't think it will get bad really fast. The only concern that I have is it's a white color, so it can get dirty really easy. So I'll show you the next thing which I got. The next thing, I again got a purse or a bag, like a coin bag. I don't know what it is called, but I thought it will be a sling bag which can carry my phone. So I wanted something very small and nice to carry just a lipstick and a phone, because nowadays everyone do online payments, so we don't even want to carry our wallet. So I ordered this pretty छोटा सा बैग. काफ़ी छोटा है ये, मिनी साइज है एकदम ही. ठीक है, इसमें फ़ोन रखने की जगह आई थॉट दैट इट विल हैव द स्पेस टू कीप माई फोन, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली my phone can't fit in here. I have iPhone 11 and it does not fit. I think iPhone 5 or something will fit. It's very small from inside, very small. I think you can only put your lipstick and some cards here, which I don't think is useful that much. This retailed for 360 rupees. If you like this, you can buy from the link in the description. It's nice and all, cool lag raha hai for night parties and everything, but if I think about useful, I don't think it's that much useful. Guys, please let me know in the comment section below, should I keep this product or not. I'm very confused about this one, because I don't know what the use of this is. I can only put my lipstick and everything. I wanted this for my phone, but it also comes with a chain. same chain as of that bag. It's silver color, exactly the same, so it goes like a cross bag, or you can take it in the side way like a sling bag. Actually it will look really pretty with dresses that you see on Urbanic and all, but in terms of the usefulness of this product, no comments. Please let me know in the comments, should I keep this or not. So I'll quickly show a little product that I wanted from a very long time. So I wanted to order a nice tummy tucker. I have seen a lot of girls who wear these sling dresses, wear tummy tucker inside. So I got this one in beige color, like a skin color, and it's high waisted. I have already tried this one and the quality is amazing. You can see all the prices on the screen and in the description box. This one is so fit, and it was free size, so it can go from, I think, 32, sorry, I'm saying 32, from 26 till 34, 36 size, and it's perfectly nice. It's cotton, stretchable, and it's very comfortable, so you can wear it inside any dress, and it's seamless from niche, so there will be no lines, nothing. I've already tried this, highly recommend this, very happy with this purchase. The next up that I have is a very basic tie-dye t-shirt. I wanted a tie-dye t-shirt for a very long time, and I think this is my very first purchase. I know I'm late to this trend and everyone has worn, and it's already gone, but I bought this tie-dye t-shirt kind of a thing which says babe in front, and this is from a brand named Juneberry, and Juneberry had a lot of options on Amazon, so you can check them out, and the quality and the feel of the cloth is really nice, and I washed it twice, already worn it, and it's very reasonable, and there was no color loss, nothing, fadeness, anything. The perfect fit I got it in the medium size. I like it to be a little loose, and this one is really pretty. Even this one was given to me by Vianney, so I included in this haul because I got it from the same website, that is Amazon. You can definitely check out Juneberry. Such great quality products. I am amazed with Amazon quality nowadays, and this is, I think, my go-to t-shirt for like casual day outs from now on. I've already worn this twice and I love it. It's very soft. So guys, last but not the least, I have got this tennis skirt. I think this is what you call it, and this is all over the Instagram and Pinterest. It's in trend for so long now. I think it's been 2 months, and I got this tennis skirt from the same website. I got it in a white color so that I can match it with my different crop tops. It looks like a school skirt. To be very honest, it has a hook right here like this, so it usually, school skirts have hook like this, and it is a mini tennis skirt. The plaits are really nice, and the cloth is also very nice. It's not thin at all or see-through, but it does not have a divider, so I thought that tennis skirt usually have dividers, but this one do not have a divider, which is a bummer. But if you like mini skirts and you wear shorts inside separately, so you can definitely go for this one. The size is really good. I ordered it in 28 or 30, I think. It's very high waisted, and you can wear a lot of crop tops on it, and it will go really well. I am still confused to keep this one or not, but I really enjoy the quality, and maybe if it had shorts, so I would have purchased it anyway. Whereas if you like mini skirts and you like to style such tennis skirts with sneakers and cool crop tops and give that Y2K effect, you can definitely go and buy this one. It's like cute and all. Okay, I'll also insert the image of me wearing it, and you can definitely figure it out if it's good or not for you. So yeah, this was it for today's haul. So I'll also make a skincare chit chat Q&A. So if you have any questions to me regarding anything, so it's my birthday month, I'll try to answer all of your queries in the next video, which is coming in this week only, the part 2 of this birthday haul vlog kind of. So I'll do my skincare on the screen and answer all your spicy questions. Really excited for that because I love skincare and I'm trying out this new product range. So definitely stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.